Hi everyone, my name is Dennis. I'm a RSQL coordinator. Today we'll overview the week number 26. This week is kind of humble, so you have previous tasks from previous weeks that you need to finish on this week, and you have a task to prepare for the final task. So let's see here. You need to submit this week fun chat and presentation. The deadline is, as usual, it's Sunday at evening. And also on this week, you need to start to prepare for a final task. Let's see, final project, what you need to prepare. First of all, you need to find your team. You need to create teams. Within the teams, you will develop the final task. So the first is you need to find your team. You need to message someone or just wait until you will be auto-assigned to some other team. And yeah, to do that, you need to either find some people who did not in the team, and you can create the team with your with all of your students in this team, or just for now, just click on the here team distribution in your RSQL application, and then you can just be added to the table that you're ready for the final task. And yeah, and very important note, please send to the Discord channel your favorite technologies, what you would like to use on the final task, so it would be easier to assign you to the teams in some case. Yeah, so about final task, what you need to prepare, you need to be in the groups, in the teams, and after that, you need to find the team lead in this team. Usually the team lead is the person with higher score in the team, but it's negotiable and you can find your team lead maybe with lower score. And the team lead is on this week is in charge of setting up a repository, and also I think he would orchestrate a lot of things for your team to work properly. Yeah, you will have the first meeting, and yeah, you need to discuss everything about your project on first meeting, and also as a team lead should create the repository. Maybe you can, as a team, separate tasks. So at the end, you need to create your repository where you have master branch and develop branch. So yeah, and also you need to create your or prepare some software that lets you update the statuses of your work, and also just keep updated team lead and others about your status of project. Yeah, so that's why you can search some software like GitHub Projects, Trello, something like Jira, and etc. Yeah, I would say that's so. So for this week, you need to create a team or find some, or at least post in Discord what you're good at, what you would like to learn. Also, you need to have a first meeting with the team. You need to create a repository with master and develop branches. You need to prepare software for tracking tasks, and also I forgot to mention that you need to also create a Discord channel for your team to communicate there. And yeah, you can find the Discord channels that you need to create: general, materials, cheat, and work status. Yeah, so that's the what is this week about. Also, your mentors, you can ask help for your mentors. Mentors are in charge of, they can help with code reviews, they can help with some problems that you have, and yeah, just give advice as experienced individuals. I would say that's it for this week. As usual, you can self-develop yourself using CodeWars and LeetCode. Yeah, and that's it for this week. I can ask other coordinators to join me on the stage and say greetings.
Hello.
Hi, hi guys.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you, Denise, for our view this week. Thank you guys for watching this session. As always, we waiting for your comments, for your questions. Okay, and the first question from Olga. Could you explain how to find a team? Uh, Denise, would you like to answer?
Yeah. To find your team, actually, you just message people. For now, the process looks like you message people on, for example, Discord or Telegram, and maybe you know someone who you would like to work with, and then you agree to create a team, and then you choose the team lead, and this person creates the team with all of you as a students. Yeah, and that's how you get a team. Or you can just press team distribution in Aeroscale application, and there fill data about yourself, and yeah, post in Discord channel about your skills, and then you'll be auto assigned to some team.
You may create your own team and share that, hey guys, I created the team and I would like to implement the final task. You then, let's say, React. Who would like to join my team? Let me know. It's also as an option.
Or you can
Yeah.
mention your idea for the final task without any technologies, and you can organize a team and then decide on any technologies on the first meeting.
Yeah, we assume that you already know somebody in this course. Uh, Somebody helped you with other tasks, helped to understand course material, and we give you opportunity to create your own team. But if you don't, you will be reassigned, but by
Randomly.
yes, randomly by our big boss.
So it's not the pure random. I think it's yeah, based on your skills.
Technologies.
And the next one, is it our last week with our mentors? Uh, Looks like yes. After you will be redistributed to new teams. We will reassign mentors for each team will have their own new mentor based on mentors technologies and on teams technologies.
But it's still there is a possibility that your mentor will be your final tasks mentor.
So let's wait a couple of minutes. Where is Photoback actually?
No Tabak, no questions.
Or you can share your experience so far. Do you have enough energy to continue to start the teamwork?
Seems there
If
are
no
no
other
questions. I've shared information related to creating teams and sharing the information related to technology in the Telegram and in the Discord. I hope that everyone will share technology or just his love with Core.js or TypeScript. And we'll try to help with creating teams up.
So, from my point of view, this group task, this final task, is a cool opportunity to try how is it to work with real people, working team.
And
Yeah,
how to
And
find
we're
the friends in IT. Who knows?
yeah.
and
And
very
maybe your
familiar to real work.
next referral. Who knows if one student will find a job, he can refer you.
We have a comment from Rose. In examples of final project, I saw that someone created plants for zombies game. It looks awesome. Looks like it is something from other project, other course. I don't really know. And another comment from Vladislav. After into to preparing for the final task, I realized I'm an introvert.
You might be an introvert or extrovert, but in real life, you should work in the team.
Yeah.
I'm also such that I'm an introvert, but then I changed my job, and I realized that I'm extrovert actually. Maybe it depends on your job.
Or on the people around
Yeah,
you.
on environment. So guys, looks like there is no questions. Okay, Vladislav. Yeah, it's a sign. When I try to wrap up a meeting, somebody asks questions.
But still in time.
Yeah, is it allowed to create a presentation just by making an HTML with section, slides, and including reveal.js via SDN? Or do I need to initialize a project with npm and then publish the build? Guys, anyone who wants answer?
I'm not sure, but as far as I remember, when I was implementing something in Reveal.js, I just copy pasted some example and updated my slides. So that was so easy.
Yeah.
Time.
Okay. Thank you for
Yeah,
your experience.
I think the question here, do the student need to publish his code of presentation? I think no. I read the presentation task. I don't see any requirement for publishing your code of presentation. You need only video.
Mhm.
And yeah, and
Thank you,
link,
Denise.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay. Everybody says that AI is going to take our jobs, and web application developer. I'm looking for job, and I not get any. And the most common question is AI can do better than you programming.
Actually, depends. So even in my company, when we implemented our safe ChatGPT inside our corporation, and I tried to develop something, just asking AI, and some of the solutions didn't work at all. So you still need to control it and just check the code from AI. So it's still not 100% of replaceable.
Yeah, I guess my experience. We also implemented AI to that help resolving issues, and this AI try to write code and resolve issues, and it assumes that you can just copy paste issue and put in your code base, but it doesn't work. And now we implemented the different approach that this chatbot just give you a direction. So it means that you also have to learn technologies, have to learn how to programming, and
I think the simple answer is ChatGPT was created by OpenAI. You can open OpenAI roles, carriers, and you can find a lot of front-end software engineering positions. For some reason, they cannot just use AI for themselves. So I'm not sure about anyone else. So you can sleep well now.
yeah.
At least for next year. Or 2 years.
Yeah. Artificial intelligence it's just a tool. So it's powerful, cool, but it is a tool, just like a hammer or wrench. So just try to understand how to use it. So and next question from Vladislav. Will projects be evaluated differently depending on the technologies chosen? Since writing in React even with only basic knowledge, is much easier and faster than doing it without. I think no, because we have a bunch of requirements, so just follow them. Let me see what we have.
And even if adding some technologies, it might be easier to write something, but then, for example, configuration or adding different libraries to support these technologies might be difficult.
And the technology is not affect your final score.
Yeah, I also see that. Yeah, that it requirements doesn't depend on your technology, so it will be your score will be the same.
Yeah, I think the question more about in the case they choose plain JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript, and then will it be the question why you did so little, for example, and they could answer because we did on the plain JavaScript, something like this. I think no. There's
So
no
guys,
such case.
yeah, thank you, Denise. So guys, the second attempt to finish this session. So 1, 2, 3. No, no new questions.
Press button until the next question.
So guys, thank you for watching this session, and see you next time. See you next Monday.
Have a great week. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Mhm.
good
Bye.
Bye
luck.
bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.